Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the date on Yahoo Finance so you can view stock charts more clearly and in more details. Let's get started. First, open the Yahoo Finance app on your phone and make sure that you are logged in with the Yahoo account. Within the home page, tap on any ticker from your watchlist or the portfolio. Within it, tap on the open button next to the ticker. Now at the top of the page, you will see the price chart. To view the chart more clearly, tap on the double-sided arrow icon on the chart. This opens the chart in full screen mode. In the extended chart view, you will see the date range options like 1 day, 5 day, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, all and so on. Tap on any option to change the date range instantly. And you will also see time interval options such as 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month and so on. You can just choose any where it allows you to analyze short-term price movements in more details. You can also zoom in and zoom out with the plus and minus icon and focus on a specific point within the selected time range. And that's it. This is how you can change the date on the Yahoo Finance app using the extended chart. This makes it easier to analyze both short-term and long-term price movements within the time interval. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video with more easy Yahoo Finance tutorials.